So you're looking to learn guitar and you don't know if you should start with an electric guitar or an acoustic guitar. Well, there's two arguments here and they're equally valid, but I'm actually going to make a third argument to you. So it's not really about the red pill or the blue pill, it's the purple pill. So this question comes up all the time for people brand new to guitar, wondering if they should start with an electric or an acoustic guitar. And there's one school of thought that says that if you start with an acoustic, it makes more sense because you're just learning to strum some basic chords and maybe sing along a little bit. The other thing with the acoustic is you don't need any other equipment to play it, you don't need an amp to plug it into. And additionally, with an acoustic, generally they're a little bit harder to play than an electric because it's thicker strings and they're a little bit further off the fretboard. It takes a little bit more finger strength. And so the thinking is that you're going to build the strength up in your hands, and if you do want to play an electric, you'll really be prepared to do that. The counter argument here is that, well, it's harder to play an acoustic guitar, and so if you start with an electric, it's going to be easier to hold the strings down, and maybe players won't get discouraged early on and be able to advance in their playing skills before they've put the instrument down because it hurts their fingers or whatever. Also, you can find an inexpensive electric guitar a little more easy than an inexpensive acoustic guitar that's going to be of any kind of quality that you want to play. Inexpensive acoustics can tend to be really difficult to play, where you get something like a Fender Squire, and it's a pretty decent guitar for a reasonable price, but again, you still need to also plug it into an amp. This isn't always the case, of course, but I generally find this to be true. So then the question is, which one is the purple pill? What's the other answer here? Well, it's the question I ask all my new students. What kind of music are you looking to play? If you're really into rock music or metal of some kind and you love the sound of a distorted guitar and these are the songs you want to learn, well then naturally starting with an electric guitar is going to get you playing the songs that you love right from the beginning. If instead you want to learn a bunch of like Ed Sheeran type covers and just maybe strum some chords and sing and entertain people at a party, well then an acoustic is going to make more sense. It's as simple as that. Learn on the instrument that makes the music that you want to make, and that's the purple pill. So if you're looking to get a new instrument or just get started on guitar, maybe coming up to the holiday season, you're asking for one for the holidays, this is my advice to you. Ask for the thing that matches the music you want to play. So I hope that answers your question if you were wondering which one to get. And if you do get a new guitar, I hope you stop back at the channel and check out all the lessons and gear reviews and all the other cool guitar related stuff I have here.
Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.